Now, if we bring up the appearance browser, you'll notice that these are the different material libraries. So if you put it on home and you search for, let's say, wood, it'll search through all three of these and bring up all of the results. Whereas if you just select one, it'll limit it to those three. So whenever I search, I always make sure that the search result is selected rather than the actual library. So then it'll go through all the libraries. Um, so if you're looking through here and you're like, well, I don't necessarily see what I want, you can click on this little guy and do new generic appearance, and that'll bring this up. So in here, you can set an image to the generic. What they were talking about before is the bump. So if you check the bump mark here and find your way to this location, which is program files, comma files, Autodesk shared, materials, textures, to mats. So basically the textures file, there's a couple of different ones. So if you want a bump map, this is kind of the area that you are looking for. So you can select CMU, let's say, and OK. Now if we want to actually select this part, you can go to part 2, assign a selection. So now you'll see that it's got that appearance as a bump. We can change the scale, edit image, and here's our scale. So our sample size, let's change that to 2. And apply and see how that works. So you can see it's getting a little bit different and it's got a textured appearance for the bump.